We can solve this question by two methods. So method 1, bring this on right hand side, then squaring both sides. Whenever we see such situation where we have rational terms and irrational terms, bring all the rational terms together. Bring all the rational terms together. Okay, so we have 1 cancel, x cancels, so 1 is equal to 2. Again squaring, we get 1 is equal to 4x minus 1. So from here you get, therefore x equal to 5 by 4, and that is your answer. This was a very simple method, method 1. There is another method, method 2. Method 2 will be helpful in harder questions. Like method 2 is like this. We will take this without square root, and this we are going to subtract these two. If we get a constant, then method 2 is possible. How? Let this be number 1, and from here we can say this is so a square minus b square formula. Now clearly this quantity and this quantity is same. These two are same quantity. So I can say this is equal to 1. So we are going to say, clearly we see that this quantity is equal to 1. So I will put it here. So I will put it here. So this into 1 is again 2. We get second equation. So we have two equations. This is equal to, so basically we have two equations, root x plus is equal to 2, and second equation is this, equal to 1. So equation 1 and equation 2. So by adding or subtracting we can do anything. So by adding we can get, adding this gets cancelled, we get 3. So squaring both side, equal to 3 by 2 whole square, that is 9 by 4. So x equal to 5 by 4 again. In this question, this method seems very lengthy, but it is useful for harder questions. So method 1 is better for this question.